Good morning, thanks for joining me. Welcome to the Sunday shave. Thank you, Mrs. H. Very nice colours. Are they pastel? I think, yeah. Anyway, don't get too clever, Paul. Right, we've used some sort of high-end soaps and nice soaps. We're going to use, well, not lower end, but they are as in cost and scent. And this is one of them. This is in one of these, I bought this on Etsy. There's a chap on there makes these for soaps. ARKO, he does a Derby one, I think. With one of these printers, these 3D printers. I've used it before, and you twist the base and out pops the ARKO. So we're going to use that today, face lather. And then we're going to use a single-edged razor. This is the Parker Solo Edge. Just for a change, it's very simple, very nice, very sleek. Twist the handle, the top comes off. In that I'm going to use a platinum coated Euromax blade. If you can see that, Euromax platinum coated. I'm going to stick that on here carefully. And we drop the head in the water. We pull it out of the water. And we hold it best we can. And we start just so it grips. There you go. You see that? There you go. Nicely done. No overhang whatsoever. I'm not sure if you can see the blade exposure on this. It might be a bit too shiny. Yeah, it's in the bottom there. Very nice. So, without further ado, we need a shave. Looking forward to this. Hope you're having a great weekend. If you're having a shave yourself, hope you enjoy it. Let me know what it is, please. Very nice. So here we go, we've twisted some out. We've done a bit of a face lathering before, haven't we? But the other way I use ARKO is I got the big shave scuttle, which houses a piece of this, well, not this particular stick, but another piece of ARKO. Just wet. There you go. That should be plenty. I'll go there for now. Brush. I'm going to use my own brush, PaulHFilms, which I've just taken off the shelf. That'd just be an idea to do that. So we'll use that. And then we'll get going. That's one thing I find with more water. ARKO is very easy for me anyway to lather. I have heard of people over the years saying they can't lather it properly, but I think that must be, well, it could be two things. It could be the way they do it, but I most probably think it's the water difference. This is quite a soft water here, so maybe that makes a difference. So we'll just heat up the Parker Solo single edge with, as I say, the platinum coated Euromax second use for this blade. I didn't say it. There we go. And off we go. Very nice. Very, as you know if you've used it yourself, very basic scented soap, Turkish soap. A lot of the Turkish barbers use it, or used to use it in Turkey. I'm not sure if the Turkish barbers in the UK use this, but maybe they do, because I've never been to them. So, as it feels at the moment, it's a medium aggression, standard. Quite a heavy razor. But feels nice in the hand, nicely balanced and things like that. And again, for me, ARKO is very, very slick. Oh yeah. Scent-wise, basic. Some people say it's lemony. Some people say it's a, what do they call it? Like a toilet tablet. But personally, I wouldn't go that far with it. But I don't mind the scent. I think Derby, roughly the same in quality and lathering, has a slightly better scent. But I like old ARKO. Good friend. That's lovely. Doesn't take much. As I say, to lather up. So what's on your agenda this weekend if you're free enough to do anything? Our agenda is to head out later to a couple of shops. We need some sort of garden-ish type things. We may do a bit in the garden. We're doing a bit of filming for a video that's coming up soon. So we'll probably be filming that today, or a certain aspect of it, certain part. ARKO is very slick. Scent strength is about 5, 6 out of 10. Very nice. Yeah, just gets better and better, the old slickness. Very nice. I'm going to go just a drop of water. It's funny, you know, when even though we're just heading out to a local shop, nothing elaborate, but it always feels nicer being shaved, and I don't know, it's like how can another way, it's like being properly dressed to go out. It's funny, isn't it? Maybe you have to be a certain age to appreciate that, I don't know. Although there's a lot of young, well-dressed people now, isn't it? In their way, but here we go, against the growth. As you can see, it's getting slightly thinner now, but very, very slick. And that's without going back to the shave stick, the puck. What are we having for a meal this evening? Well, there's many options. We may have an omelette. Mrs H likes a onion and mushroom omelette, so I might make one of them if she fancies it. We'll have that with salad or a baked potato maybe. Oh, the weather here, it's been, well, yesterday was lovely. Friday, it's been a good week. We've had sort of cold starts and slightly breezy sometimes, but in the sun it's been lovely. I think one day coming from work I had my car's air conditioning on, which is got to be one of the first of the year. First times of the year. Right, very good for getting under the nose there. Lip corners. That is nice. All right. So that means one more pass just to finish things off. And that is 3, 2, 1. Pickup time, baby. All right. Oh, no help today. And there's just about enough in the brush. Won't be in work tomorrow. Why not? Because I've decided to take the day off, and if you don't like it, have a word with she who must be obeyed. And if you're willing to do that, you're a braver man than me. Thank you. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's just a bit there. God, the slickness is good. Very nice. Just a touch there. Lovely. Right. Cold water rinse. Cold water shock. That's what it looks like straight from the tap. Yeah, very nice. That'll do. That's what we look like. Very happy with that. We'll use the Thayer's Rose facial mist, witch hazel, and thank you to the chap who said that these are half price at the minute in, was it in Boots or Super? I can't remember where it was now. Anyway, I've got a couple of these now, so I can't get over how fine that mist is. It's beautiful, it covers the whole face. No need to rub in. Now, this stuff, if you cut yourself, will sting. Very high alcohol content. But this is one of my favourite scents in the ARKO range, the Action. Sort of a classic-y type scent. Trouble is, it doesn't last very long. Hour or two, it'll be very faint. Oh, smell. I love that. That is nice. Yeah, my dad would like that. Or would have liked that. And then we'll go with some ARKO Extra Sensitive, I think it says. I've used this a few times. There you go, don't need a lot. And then we're ready then to face the world with some decency. Ah, oh, that's lovely. So there we go again. Sad time that at the end of the shaving when you're enjoying it. So if you're shaving, like I said, I hope you have a fantastic shave and a great weekend, and hoping you're staying safe and happy wherever you are in the world. And just to say thank you for joining me yet again, for your comments, for the time it takes watching these and listening to me babble on. So before I do that again, I'll say thank you very much, all the best, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Take care and bye bye.